Can Skechers shoes be washed in a washing machine?
Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to answer a common question. Can Skechers shoes be washed in a washing machine? Whether you have a pair of Skechers sneakers that you've worn for running, or perhaps a pair of Skechers Go Walk shoes that you use for everyday wear, knowing how to properly clean them is important for their longevity and for maintaining their comfort and style.
Can you machine wash Skechers shoes?
The short answer is yes. Many Skechers shoes can be washed in a washing machine. However, it's crucial to first verify the material and care instructions for your specific pair. Most Skechers shoes are made from either mesh or leather material. While mesh shoes can generally be machine washed, leather or suede shoes should not be, as it can damage the material. Always refer to the label inside your shoes for specific cleaning instructions.
How to machine wash Skechers shoes?
Before tossing your shoes into the washer, here are a few steps to follow. 1. Remove the laces and insoles. You'll want to wash these separately by hand. 2. Clean excess dirt off. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any loose dirt from the outside of your shoes. 3. Use a laundry bag. Place your shoes in a mesh laundry bag or pillowcase to protect them during the wash cycle. 4. Set your washing machine to a gentle cycle. Use cold water and a gentle cycle to avoid damaging your shoes. Avoid using bleach as it can harm the shoe materials. 5. Air dry. After washing, let your shoes air dry. Do not put them in the dryer, as the heat can cause the shoes to warp or shrink.
Are there other ways to clean Skechers shoes?
Yes, if you're not comfortable machine washing your Skechers, or if the materials don't allow for it, you can hand wash them. Mix a small amount of mild laundry detergent with warm water and use a soft cloth or sponge to gently clean the shoes. Remember to also remove the laces and insoles before hand washing, and allow the shoes to air dry afterwards. That's it for today's video on how to wash your Skechers shoes. Remember, while machine washing is a viable option for many Skechers shoes, always check the care instructions for your specific pair to ensure you're not risking damage to your shoes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful for you in maintaining your favorite pairs of Skechers.